Hey guys, this is John
and Allie
with WaltonsInc.com, and today we're going to find out, will it barbecue? So much more than just hot dogs, hamburgers, and other meats can be barbecued, grilled, or smoked, and this is where we take new and interesting, sometimes, ingredients and find out if they'll barbecue. So today, we're following up with Christina and Elena's suggestion, and we're doing cake, but a version of cake.
Yeah.
We're doing cupcakes. This is something that Allie whipped up, and they look, smell, and sound like they're gonna be incredibly good. It is a sweet bacon maple cupcake. So to do these, you wanna run over your process real quick on it?
Yeah, sure. So what I did is I made a maple cupcake, and then we decided instead of just cooking it in the oven like normal, we would throw it on the grill. So we threw it on the grill with a pizza stone under it so there wasn't direct heat onto the cupcakes. Cooked it for about 20 minutes, pulled them off, and then put on a maple cream cheese frosting. And to make the frosting, we used some syrup that we barbecued earlier, so it had a nice smoky flavor, and just mixed it with cream cheese, and then made it look a little prettier.
They do look amazing. She's an artist with this type of stuff.
Thank you, I try.
And you can see, really interesting, is a nice smoke ring around the edge of the cupcake. So I think the cake itself is gonna have a good amount of smoke to it.
I think so.
So I think these are gonna be pretty smoky.
Hopefully.
But,
yeah.
Ready to try it?
Yeah.
Okay. There's bacon in the batter. That is,
It's a very dense cupcake. So it almost tastes like if you were to take a pancake and make it really, really dense. That's pretty much what this type of cupcake is.
These are incredible. All right, so we're back. There was a slight delay while I ate the rest of those cupcakes. They were really, really good, but I'm actually already feeling tired and kind of warm from eating all those.
Yeah, they make you feel really good on the inside.
They
I'm
do.
going with that's what you're you're
Close
assuming.
enough, either way. But will this barbecue?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah, it will.
We're actually going to post the full recipe for this on meatgistics.com just so that you guys can try this at home. It was awesome. Really, really would recommend this without a question.
10 out of 10, would recommend.
Would recommend. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and visit waltonsinc.com and meatgistics.com to find everything but the meat. Thanks for watching. I'm John.
And I'm Allie.
With waltonsinc.com, and we'll see you guys next time. Subscribe to Walton's YouTube channel to watch more amazing videos, or shop at waltonsinc.com to find everything but the meat. Check out our latest giveaway and sales video here, or watch another handpicked video by clicking here.